Hello guys, I'm Soni. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is going to be really exciting because all three opportunities in this video are completely different from each other. The first one is from Red Hat, one of the biggest open source software companies in the world. The second one is from EA startup, and third one is a software internship. So whether you're targeting product based companies, startup or internships, there is something valuable for everyone. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I will explain everything. Let's start with the first opportunity. The first company is Red Hat and they are hiring software engineering interns. This is an in office internship for Bangalore and Pune. Red Hat is one of the biggest enterprise software companies in the world. Now, if you heard of Linux, Kubernetes, or enterprise cloud infrastructure, then you have probably already heard about the Red Hat. So, having Red Hat on your resume adds a lot of value. Now, let's understand what you will actually do. This is not a documentation internship or a support role. You will actually work with software engineering teams. According to the job description, your main responsibility include designing, developing, and maintaining software using Python, Golang, Java, or JavaScript, implementing new features inside Red Hat products, debugging existing applications, fixing issues, improving product quality, collaborating with QA, product managers, documentation teams, and engineers, and participating throughout the software development lifecycle. So you will get exposure to real engineering. One thing I really liked is that every intern works closely with an experienced mentor. That means you won't be left figuring everything out on your own. Now let's talk about the skills. The company is looking for candidates familiar with Python, Golang, Java, JavaScript, Git, GitHub, software engineering fundamentals. They also mention technologies like OpenShift, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and Ansible. These are not mandatory, but if you have explored Linux or cloud technology before, that's definitely a plus. Another interesting point, they have also mentioned AI awareness. So, if you have built AI projects or experimented with AI tools recently, that can strengthen your profile. Now, coming to the eligibility, you should be a final year bachelor's student in computer science, IT, or an equivalent discipline. So, this internship mainly targets students who are preparing for full time engineering roles. Now, don't worry if you're not a student, we have two more opportunities. Now let's move on to the second opportunity. The company is PKC Management Consulting and they are hiring for their AI startup PyAccess as a junior backend engineer. The package here ranges from 4 to 8 LPA. Now this is not a traditional backend developer role. If you are currently into Gen AI, LangChain or AI agents, then this opportunity aligns almost perfectly with today's AI hiring trend. The startup is building intelligent AI agents for the architecture, engineering, or and construction industry, meaning instead of creating basic chatbots, they are building production AI systems that solve business problems. Now let's understand your responsibilities. You will work on building backend services using Python and Fast API, develop AI agent workflow, integrating LLM providers, working with PostgreSQL and vector databases, debugging backend application, writing scalable production code, participating in code reviews, and continuously improving AI workflows. This is proper engineering role combined with AI. Now let's discuss the skills. They expect candidates familiar with Python, Fast API, LangChain, LangGraph, Docker, AWS, GitHub, and prompt engineering, large language models, and also RAG. And if you have already worked with OpenAI, Anthropic, Google AI, Superbase, your profile becomes even stronger. Honestly, these are exactly the technology companies are hiring for 2026. If you have been building AI side projects, this could be one of the strongest opportunity for you. Eligibility includes graduates from AI, data science, computer science, and related engineering branches. Now, if you are interested in AI startups and want to work on production level applications, this role is definitely worth applying for. Now, let's move on to the third and final opportunity of today's video. This one is a little different from previous two. The company is Tech Ahir Private Limited and they are hiring software development interns. The stipend ranges from 20,000 to 40,000 rupees per month, which is honestly quite attractive for an internship. This is an in office internship in Gandhinagar. Now, before you skip because of the title, let me explain this is not a coding heavy software engineering role. Instead, it's for people who enjoy technology along with communication and strategy. You will work closely with software business teams and learn how technology companies grow their products and acquire clients. Your responsibility include identifying new business opportunity, conducting market research, competitor analysis, participating in client meetings, maintain CRM records and supporting business development activities. Now let's look at the required skills. They are mainly looking for candidates with communication skills, presentation, teamwork, market research, CRM understanding, and an interest in software products. If you have participated in college clubs, hackathons, startup events, or technical communities, these experience can help during interviews. One thing I liked is the benefits. They have mentioned job offer opportunity in the future for selected candidates. The internship duration is between 6 to 12 months with a 5-day work week. So, if you are someone interested in technology but also want it in your business, this internship can give you valuable industry exposure. Now, if we compare all three opportunities, Red Hat is perfect for students targeting product companies, cloud engineering, Linux, and enterprise software development. PKC Management Consulting is easily the strongest option for developers interested in AI engineering, backend, and production grade systems. And Tech ahir is great opportunity for students. Whichever role matches your profile, don't delay your application because these opportunities can close anytime once enough candidates apply. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the apply link are in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.